video we will learn about patterns in alphabets. Children, do you remember how Babban found a lamp while roaming in the park one day? From that day till today, Babban must have made at least one round of the park daily. Even today he has come to the park in search of the lamp. And what? Today Babban finally saw the lamp once again. Babban immediately picked up the lamp and started rubbing it hard. The voice of the genie was heard from the lamp. I will fulfill your 3 wishes, but this time you have to find the rules of my pattern shown for every wish. As soon as you find the rules of the pattern shown by me, I will fulfill your wish. Babban began to dance happily as soon as he heard the voice of the genie. He shouted, dancing, and said to the genie, I agree. Quickly, show me the first pattern. As you wish, my lord. Saying this, the genie showed Babban such a pattern. Babban was baffled for a while. I have seen patterns made of numbers, colors and shapes, but in this pattern, I can see only the letters. Children, have you seen such a pattern before? Like we make different patterns from numbers, colors and shapes. Similarly, we can also make patterns by using letters. Such patterns which are made using letters are called patterns in alphabets. Let us see whether Babban was able to recognize the rule of this pattern. First, I try to find some sort of repetition in it. Z, Z, Y, Z, Z, Y, Z, Z, Y. Good! Here, Z, Z, Y is repeating in these 3-letter group over and over again. Oh wow! I found the rule of this pattern. Babban told Genie the rule of the first pattern. Your answer is absolutely correct. What is your first wish? There is a lot of water scarcity in the village today. I want another well in the village. Babban told the genie. Suddenly, a well is formed in front of Babban. Babban cannot believe his eyes. Now, the genie showed this second pattern to Babban. This is your second pattern. By finding the rule, you can fulfill your second wish. Babban got excited to find the rule of this pattern. Children, can you find the rule of the pattern made from this letter? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. Firstly, the first letter of the alphabet A is written in capital letter. Then, the small letter of the same letter is written. The same rule is then repeated for the next letter B. In this way, this pattern has been made by writing capital letters of every letter and then small letters. Babban also discovered the rule of pattern made from alphabet pattern like you. Your answer is absolutely correct. What is your next wish? I need new shoes so that I can go for a walk every morning and stay healthy, Babban told the genie. Just then, new shoes appeared in front of Babban. This is your last pattern. Find the rule of this pattern and fulfill your third and last wish. Saying this, the genie showed Babban this third pattern. Babban was shocked. It looks like a very difficult pattern. Children, can you help Babban in finding the rule of this pattern? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. The first letter of this pattern is L and the second letter is O. The difference between these letters L and O is of 2 letters. And how many letters difference is there between these letters O and R? Exactly, 2 letters. Thus, the rule of this pattern is the difference of 2 letters between each letter and the letter preceding it. Babban found the rule of this pattern with your help. Your answer is right. Tell me, what is your third wish? The genie asked Babban. Babban thought for a while and said, I want all the villagers to get 1 sack of wheat. All the people of the village got a gold sack of wheat as soon as Babban said so. All the villagers became very happy. The lamp disappeared when Babban's third wish was fulfilled. Babban put on his shining new shoes and happily returned to his home. Children, in this video we learnt about patterns in alphabets. In the next video, we will learn more about patterns in alphabets. We learned about patterns in alphabets. In this video, we will learn more about patterns in alphabets. Bhola is returning home from school. On the way, he saw a bright object. When he looked closer, he found such a pen. Bhola brought it home with him. When Bhola tried to write from that pen, suddenly the pen started writing automatically. Bhola noticed that the magical pen had written a pattern in such a way. What can be the rule of this pattern? What letter should I write in this blank space? Bhola started thinking. Bhola then looked at the pattern more closely. Here two-letter pairs are made. Let me look at the small letters first. Well, here the small letters are increasing in order. And the capital letters? Let me repeat these 2 letters ZY, ZY repeatedly in capital letters.
are visible. So, the next two letters in this pattern will have the smaller letter F next to E, and the capital letter will be Z followed by Y.
Bhola quickly wrote these letters F, Y in the blank space from that magical pen. As Bhola filled in the blank of the pattern, all the letters became toffees. Bhola got excited. Now, once again, the magical pen started writing itself. This time, the pen has written such a pattern. Bhola was shocked. He could not understand the rule of this pattern. Children, can you help Bhola find the rule of this pattern? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. If we look at this pattern closely, we will find that every time the letters are being repeated, the next letter is being added to it. Like the first letter is A. The next time A is repeated, B is added to it. And when AB, both these letters are repeated, then the next letter C was added to it. So, now what will be the letters that come in the blank space? Repeating A, B, C will add the next letter D to it. In this way, the letters in the blank space will be A, B, C, D. With your help, Bhola also wrote down the letters that came in the blank. This time, when Bhola filled the blank correctly, all the letters became golden flowers. Bhola could not believe his eyes. Now, the pen wrote such a pattern.
I recognize the rule of this pattern.
Having said this, Bhola quickly filled in the blanks. Children, can you tell which letters Bhola has written in the blank space? Here, the letters are written in sequence, and each time the letters are being added to the pattern, the number of times that letter is being repeated is also increasing by 1. For example, the first letter A is written only once, while the second letter B is written twice, and the third letter C, once more than B, has been written 3 times. In this way, how many times will the letter D be repeated in the blank space? Exactly, 4 times. As Bhola filled the blank, this time the pen disappeared, and all the letters together became a new pen. When Bhola saw that new pen, it was written on it, "Knowledge grows by sharing." Bhola understood the message written on the pen and immediately went out to tell his friends about the patterns in alphabets. In this video, we learnt about patterns in alphabets.